Sorry I haven't posted any content lately. Been very busy with work and some other things. We did get a chance to go out to the lake the other day and just basically do a little bit of fishing. Wasn't really trying to fish, do some test runs. But I was able to get some stuff done today, so there we go. So today I finally got a chance to get the boat back together. I did a little bit of work on it, and here's what we did. So we got the new wiring harness in. Started here, got it all the way to the motor. Goes all the way around here. Goes up under the console to the battery, and got it all. The wires all cleaned up and tidied up. Then all we got to do for the electrical is get a new battery. That one's works really well, but it's just very old. It's a 2014 battery. So as you can see, we've got all the wires neat and tidied up under the console there. Got the new fuel tank in today because the old fuel tank was very much cracked, and as you can see, here's the old one. Very cracked, sun dried, and just very brittle. Wouldn't have lasted the whole season. So I replaced the fuel tank, and this was the temporary tank I was using to test before, just a very small 3-gallon tank. The new one that goes on the boat itself is just like this one. It's a 12-gallon low profile tank. And again, here's the new tank here. So got the wires cleaned up, and just got to clean up my mess, and we should be pretty much good to go. Again, just have to put a new battery in eventually as soon as this one goes bad. But it's not bad, but it's very old. It's a 2014 battery, so that's old for the life of a battery.